The clean person is not the one that runs away from dirt, but one who takes the time and effort to tidy up a dirty environment. Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. As you all know that we all are virtually gathered here to celebrate a very prestigious event, that is Earth Raising Day. The theme for today's event is Ek Kadam Swachhta Ki Or. It is very important to keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Then only we can think of a clean India, Swachh Bharat. Army Welfare Education Society is providing us education at affordable cost. Now I request our worthy Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Pushpinder Kaur, to say few words.
Good morning, dear all. It gives me immense pride and pleasure to congratulate you all on the occasion of 38th AWAS Raising Day. This day is significant as it marks the role played by AWAS in the field of education of army brats across the nation under the motive quality education at affordable cost. On this occasion, I am pleased to announce that one of our educators, Mrs. Geeta Gupta, TGT Science, has won accolades to the school as she has been awarded with prestigious GOC in C Western Command Commendation Card. My heartiest congratulations to dear ma'am and all who are associated with the school. And I wish good health for each one of you as you are the precious pearls and blooming buds in the floral arena of APS Damana. Take good care of your health. Jai Hind.
A very warm good morning to all of you. My name is Madhur Uppal, Counselor of APS Damana, and today I am going to say a few words on personal hygiene. So first of all, we should know what is personal hygiene. Personal hygiene are the set of practices which we perform towards ourselves to make our body clean. It's not a duty, it's a matter of responsibility towards ourselves, and we should respond with the best of our ability. So personal hygiene is more effective if we learn this activity, if we learn this responsibility during our childhood, and later on we will grow up into hygienically sound person. So it is well said, hygiene is next to godliness. And of course, if a person is unclean, he will not be acceptable, respected, and desired, loved by everyone. But if the person is hygienically sound, that person will be accepted and respected. So, an unclean body cannot achieve anything physically, mentally, or spiritually. So we must take care of hygiene, and we must perform this responsibility towards ourselves with full of our ability. And next thing is that being social creature, we must take care of our environmental hygiene, and a proper disposal of waste, management of waste comes under environmental hygiene. And it's not only purity of body is important, purity of mind is also important. So we must keep our thoughts clean, we must keep our thought pure, and we must have good company. And if we follow these things, we will grow up into a useful citizen for our country. Thank you so much, students, and all the present member. I hope this will be fruitful for you. Thank you so much. Happy Everest Day.
Morning everyone, my name is Anaita Bani. I'm 5 years old. I study in class 1B. The name of my school is Army Public School Damana. Let's talk about coronavirus. First I want to tell you what we should do. We should wash our hands with soap and use sanitizer. Wear mask. Maintain social distancing. Eat fresh fruits. And now I want to tell you what we should not do. We should not go for shopping. And we should not do handshake. We should not touch our face. Remember, as use sanitizer, wear mask, maintain social distancing. Remember, Hi friends, I am Ramesh Mandle from class 1B. Today I am going to speak about coronavirus. Coronavirus is an epidemic disease, but not to fear. Be aware with SMS. Clean your hands with our soap or sanitizer. Always wear a mask when go out. Maintain our social distancing. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, friends.
Good morning, respected teachers, guests, and my dear friends. My name is Parampushka Sahasrabuddhe from class 5th B. स्वच्छ भारत का सपना हमारे राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी जी ने देखा था, क्योंकि स्वच्छ भारत ही स्वस्थ भारत बन सकता है। इस सपने को दर्शाते हुए मैंने यह चित्र बनाया है, जिसका विषय है एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर। इसमें दर्शाया गया है हमें अपनी शरीर और घर की सफाई के साथ साथ आसपास की भी सफाई करनी चाहिए। हमें अपने घर का कूड़ा कचरा सड़कों पर नहीं फेंकना चाहिए। पब्लिक प्लेसेस पर डस्टबिन का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। गीले कचरे और सूखे कचरे को अलग अलग डस्टबिन में ही फेंकना चाहिए। वातावरण को शुद्ध करने के लिए हमें अधिक से अधिक पेड़ लगाने चाहिए। इसीलिए पेड़ लगाओ, पेड़ बचाओ। अंत में मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करता हूँ, आओ मिलकर कदम बढ़ाएं, भारत को स्वच्छ बनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone. My name is Nirupama. I read in class 6th. I study in APS Damana School. I have made a eco brick. To make this, I used a clean and dried plastic bottle. I put lots of used non-recyclable plastic wraps. I packed it tightly so that it becomes very hard, and this is how it looks. Such eco bricks are very durable and they are used to make furniture, buildings, etc. The concept of the eco brick was first introduced by Susanna Hassie, an eco warrior from Central America, in 2003. Eco bricks reduce plastic from landfills, and using it will save our Mother Earth from plastic pollution. Thank you all.
I, on behalf of the organization and the entire supporting team, let me call it fraternity of Here Together, and on my own behalf extended a very hearty vote of thanks to all members for gracing your important work and sharing with us your findings and opinions today. Thank you all.